Yeah mate, here's that coffee machine I was telling you about. Bang off mate, highly recommended. Cost you about, get one for about 60 quid I reckon. Have a look on Amazon or something. Got some flavours going on here. Some cappuccino there. Got the milk and the espresso for the cappuccino. Petit déjeuner, that's like a long coffee if you want to add milk to it. Voluptuoso, that's bang off, I'll show you in a minute. Got some hot chocolates as well, couldn't resist, couldn't help it when I saw them in the supermarket. While I'm here, there's that other stuff I was telling you about, that Nescafe stuff. Get it in different flavours as well. Anyway, which one? Café Voluptuoso, I'm going to have one of these. Oh yeah, I've got some classic espresso as well. Get loads different ones for it. Gonna have one of them. What you do, get the dosette as it's called. I don't know what it's called there, but it's called the dosette here in Franco land. Slip it in there, close the lid, green light comes on. Got this little cup that don't know, can't explain it. I've just like found it in my pocket. I've been to McDonald's one night and I found it in my pocket. It's a nice hard coffee cup, mint. Stick your cup in, got the thing in, press the button and off we go. While it's doing that, I'll just put some tunes on. Nice mellow Saturday morning tunes for you. When that green light goes out, that means it's done. So open up the thing, take that out and throw it in the bin. Switch it off. Get the coffee out, look at that, bad. Nice black coffee with a nice film on top. I'm just going to stick a sugar in it. Alright, I'm going to stick a sugar on my kitchen side. Let me put the camera down and stick a sugar in it. Okay, so I've got my sugar in it. Ooh, yummy, yummy. And that is, without doubt, the nicest coffee I've ever had. Salute, Tony.